truly don't believe people understand how bad alcohol is messing with their lives. I went low alcohol in 2021. I have anywhere from 3 to 4 drinks a month. Sometimes I go months without drinking. Last night I had to meet up with clients to talk about a project, and we kind of did the whole 9 yards, okay? We had a cocktail, we had the wine, we had the after dinner drink, and sometimes the nature of the business is you just match your energy of your clients. I made sure to chug water before I went to bed, but the existential dread that I woke up with this morning for no goddamn reason was actually insane. My life, arguably, has never been better than it is right now. I'm the healthiest I've ever been. My marriage is going great. My business is booming. I have great relationships with my friends, but it's like I forgot all of that when I woke up this morning because the anxiety from 3 drinks was so bad. I was in such a bad mood this morning, so depressed and upset for no reason, and that's all because of the way that alcohol mixes and messes up with your brain chemistry. And I know my life is going so well because I cut out alcohol. I'm able to make decisions about my body, about my business, about my relationships, like based completely on rational thought and not based on how I'm feeling because of certain substances that I put in my body. And I'm not here to preach to anybody. I actually got fed low alcohol, sober life content on my For You page long before I joined the movement. I was like, that's not for me. I'm never gonna do that. So maybe you're not ready for it yet, or you never will be, but I urge you to at least give it a try. Give low alcohol, give moderation a try, and see how much clearer you're able to make decisions, and see what problems just kind of clear up on their own without you even having to give it extra attention. You will be surprised how alcohol is the root source of so many issues, physically, mentally, emotionally, the whole 9 yards.